Hello, I'm Joanne Erwin, and I'm here to tell you about the cello. The cello is a very beautiful instrument. Eastman strings make some great ones. When you're standing up, it's almost as tall as you are with its end pin out, but we do put the end pin in for traveling and going places around with the cello. But we play it sitting down. It has a beautiful sound. The lowest string is so wonderful. And then it goes up to its top string. They call it the mellow cello for a reason. It's got a beautiful mellow sound. I'd like to play the Swan for you, which is a famous cello piece from Carnival of the Animals by Saint-Saëns. So beautiful in singing. Another tune I'd like to play for you is one that all the stringed instruments can play, and it's a great, strong melody from Star Wars. And last, I'd like to play the theme from Zelda to show you the low range of the cello and how beautiful it can be also. So, I hope you enjoyed the sound of the cello and you can decide if it's the voice and the sound that you would like to spend some time with. Thank you very much.